Have you ever wondered what your dinner plate might look like in 2050? Forget what you think you know, because the future of food is more exciting and delicious than you can possibly imagine. Let's take a bite out of tomorrow. First up, let's talk about meat. But this isn't meat from a farm. Picture this: pristine, high-tech labs, where scientists are growing real, delicious meat from just a few animal cells. This is cultivated meat. No farms, no fields, just pure, sustainable protein. It's a process that uses drastically less water and land, and significantly reduces our environmental footprint. We're talking about the same juicy burger or savory steak you love, but created in a way that's kinder to our planet. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. With companies getting closer and closer to bringing these products to your local supermarket. Next, fire up the printer, because we're making dinner. Yes, you heard that right. 3D food printing is set to revolutionize our kitchens. Imagine downloading a recipe for a complex, multi-layered pizza from your favorite chef. You load the ingredient cartridges, dough, sauce, cheese, maybe some plant-based pepperoni, and watch as the printer builds your meal. Layer by perfect layer. This technology isn't just for fun, it allows for ultimate customization. Need a low-sodium meal? Or extra vitamins for the kids? Just program it in. 3D printing can create intricate designs and textures that would be impossible by hand, turning every meal into a work of art that's perfectly tailored to your dietary needs and tastes. Now, let's get adventurous and talk about a superfood that's been hiding in plain sight: insects. Before you say anything, hear me out. For billions of people around the world, insects are already a common and nutritious part of their diet. They are packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. And from an environmental standpoint, they're superstars. They require very little water, land, or feed compared to traditional livestock. We're not talking about eating bugs straight from the garden. Think about cricket flour baked into protein bars, cookies, and even pasta. Or savory, roasted mealworm snacks that are as crunchy and flavorful as your favorite chips. It's a sustainable, protein-rich food source that could be key to feeding our growing global population. Alright, now for the part you've been waiting for. Welcome to the kitchen of the future. Let's whip up a quick meal. First, we'll take our cultivated chicken breast, grown right here in this countertop bioreactor. It's perfectly tender. For our side, we're 3D printing some sweet potato gnocchi, precisely infused with rosemary and sage. And for that extra crunch and protein boost, we'll sprinkle on some toasted cricket seasoning. The aroma is incredible. We played it all up. And there you have it, a meal that's delicious, nutritious, and incredibly sustainable. It's a perfect harmony of nature and technology. This isn't just about weird new foods. It's about creating a better food system for everyone. So, from lab-grown steaks to printed pizzas and protein-packed insects, the future of food is innovative, sustainable, and surprisingly delicious. These technologies are tackling some of the biggest challenges our planet faces, like climate change and food security. The next food revolution isn't just coming, it's already on the menu. It might take some getting used to, but the possibilities are endless, and the flavors are out of this world. What future food are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and exploring the future with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you in the next one.